Today we are going to start the accountancy class 12, the chapters financial statement of non-profit organizations. Today we are going to start here the matters related to the concepts, features and the difference between the non-profit and profit organizations. First of all, try to understand the concept of not-for-profit organization, which can be called as non-profit organizations, and the short form is NPO. So the main objective of the not-for-profit organization is to serve public, providing the public services. And the examples of the such organizations are schools, colleges, hospitals, literary societies, and the societies for the promotions of sports, arts and cultures, social welfare organizations, clubs, those who are associated with services towards society. These are the some examples. And the main objective of the not-for-profit organization is to serve society and its members. Now, try to understand the features of non-profit organizations. Non-profit organization is having legal and separate entity from its promoters and from its members. The main purpose is to serve cultural, educational, religious, and professional services. It is set up by charitable society or trust belongs to society. They earn the surplus to maintain its assets and operations. It is managed by managing committee. The difference between the non-profit and the profit organizations are generally the profit organizations are providing the physical goods and the non-profit organizations are providing the services. So on that basis, there are so many differences. First difference is the purpose. The purpose of the non-profit organization is to serve society by providing their own services, and the profit organization, the main objective is to earn profit. And the main sources of arranging the funds for the non-profit organizations are fees, subscriptions, donation, etc. But for the profit organizations, it is managed by the honor funds or the borrowed funds. And now the final account is to be prepared in the non-profit organizations with the help of receipts and payment in the form of income and expenditures account and balance sheet. The main sources are receipts and payment account. But in the profit organizations, the final account is to be prepared in the form of trading accounts, profit and loss account, and balance sheet with the help of trial balance. Now the surplus or profit, the balance of the income and expenditures is called as surplus or deficit. If incomes are more than the expenditures called as surplus, or if expenditures are more than the income called as deficit. But in the profit organizations, the profit or the difference between the profit and loss balance is to be known with the name of net profit or the net loss. If revenues are more, then it can be called as net profits. Expenses are more, then it will be called as net losses. Now the distributions of the profit or surplus. In the non-profit organizations, the profits will not be distributed among the members, but in the profit organizations, the profit is to be distributed among the members.